Welcome back. Today, let's create this easy world map. Don't worry, nobody was hurt in making this video. Let's continue. Open plugins and make sure motion design is checked. Make a new level. Go to modeling and create a capsule. Adjust the length and scale according to your project. Put the pivot location in the center. Always save your project. Create a new material by right-clicking and choose Material. Create a material instance by right-clicking the material and choose Material Instance. Apply the material instance to the capsule. Textures will be provided in the link below. Drag the texture into the material and change blend mode to masked. Click Apply. Download any material that you like in Quixel Megascans and use their normal and height map. Drag the normal map and connect to normal. Create a multiply and param node and connect. Convert to parameter. Create texture, coordinate, connect to multiply, then custom rotator, and lastly, connect to normal. Open the material instance. Adjust according to your project. Enable tessellation. Adjust according to project. If things aren't working like mine, just restart Unreal Engine. I know. When things go wrong, just restart Unreal Engine. After restarting Unreal Engine, it's working now. Duplicate the capsule. Connect the alpha to the opacity mask. Create a new material for the ocean. Create a material instance and apply it to the duplicate. Adjust the scaling. Copy the nodes and paste to the water material. Add normal and height texture according to your project. Create Panor and connect to normal. Adjust according to your project. Copy the nodes used for displacement. Paste it to the water shader and connect accordingly. Make sure to enable the tessellation. Adjust the scale. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.